Is your leather furniture or car seat suffering from scratches, tears or stains? The Leather Doctor has just the remedy for these types of damages. With our expert team of technicians and amazing leather repair products available to us, repairing these types of damage is something we do every day and the result is awesome. Your prized leather sofa or leather car seat can be brought back to life at a fraction of the cost of complete replacement. For more information or to get in contact with us, please visit our website theleatherdoctorme.com.